with Tuum, we're Estonian company. A lot of interesting topics today. We talk about supporting financial innovation. You mentioned how to make banks more agile, how to meet with growing consumer expectations. And that's what we do somehow with Tuum by providing a next generation core banking platform. So next generation means it's API first, it's cloud native, it's SaaS, it's modular in design, it's compliant by design, and it's really supporting the hyper-parameterization of products if you're a bank or fintech. So in essence, what we do is that we enable regulated institutions to modernize. It's about how do I make an immediate impact. I have no time to wait for months or years for large transformation projects. It's how I meet with the needs of a bank nowadays, running in real time, meeting with needs for personalized contract servicing for my customers. It's how I make sure that I can future-proof my operations, being agile today, but also tomorrow. I don't know what will be my products, my services tomorrow. How do I build on a core banking infrastructure that will be supporting and enabling long-term agility? So in a nutshell, that's what we do with Tuum. Since 2018, we've been offering our core banking platform to fintech and banks in different parts of the world. So okay. We've been partnering, for instance, with one of the leading banking groups in the Nordics. We are helping them to launch all their new loan products, and we are the platform of choice for all the future launches. We've been helping a pan-European banking group to launch a neobank in 2019. And now in the UK, we also have a couple of very, very exciting partnerships in place. We're helping a neobank to launch a new overdraft position. We have one of our customers who is offering digital banking services for businesses doing cross-border payments. We're providing the back end, so our infrastructure to LHV in the UK to enable them to modernize their product innovation. And from now on, what we're looking for are new projects, how to help banks and fintechs with our platform, looking for partnerships as well in that market. And time's up. Question?
Very, very relevant, I think, sitting in an incumbent bank. I want to innovate our banking platform. How do you propose we do that? Product by product, or do you want to take the entire data portfolio up and put onto your platform?
It's a very good question. You have different ways of looking at that. I think the large, big bank transformation and migration of all the products from legacy, custom design to a SaaS platform, is not necessarily the scenario that a lot of banks will think. Progressive modernization, product by product, is usually the way to go. So what we do is that, for instance, what we did with one of our customers is providing our banking core to enable them to launch a Revolut-like multi-currency credit account, and then providing our lending module for them to migrate their loan portfolio as well. Right? So going product by product is a good way to try and test out new technologies, new ways of doing things, and introducing a new platform into the organization.
That's a question. Bandwidth of banks to do what you're talking about, because we have a similar situation. We have SEBX, which is we built a bank on the side because we decided it'd be better to do that than try and get our existing legacy infrastructure product management people to try and start from scratch. Where's the sweet spot there?
That's it. You want to build a new stack, almost in a startup kind of mode, but that's the right way to leverage SaaS core platform like we do, to use new technologies, and you have faster time to market as well. You have less cost, you get an agility. So that's the kind of project that we do, and that's what we do.
Good.
Can I have just one more?
Sure.
The compliance side, who owns the risk?
Well, in terms of compliance, what you do is that when we develop the platform, we follow all the best practices of the EBA guidelines. So we enable our customers to be compliant through auditability of all the data changes that you have on the platform. But ultimately, the bank is the one who is the licensed organization, so they are the one bearing the risk of the platform provider. But we are, under GDPR, we are a data processor as a bank's data controller. So we do commit to a certain level of technical and organizational measures, how data is protected, encryption, Good?